Hi, good afternoon. It's Rochelle. Yeah. So, today is Monday and ayan, magpapaano tayo ng nails kasi mahaba na siya. Sama ko si Bebe. Let's go?
Okay.
Okay.
Few inches later.
Hi, it's past 1:30 and we're back home. Walang available na gagawa. So, babalik ako after an hour. And, ayun. So, dito muna kami. Chill.
I like it. Yummy. No bunny. Fun.
What color is that?
Let's pass.
Hi, it's past 5 p.m. and we're home na. We're done na. So, yung kamay lang yung pinapa-gel ko and then yung sa paa ay regular polish lang kasi matagal naman matanggal yung sa paa. So, ayun. Ang balik ko is next month na and meron naman si salon na 1 week warranty. So, if yung gel polish mo ay nag-chip off, pwede mo ibalik sa kanila for free. Anyway, si RR may bagong pet. I'll show you. What's your pet? Wow!
It's a black one.
What's the name of your pet?
Black.
Black. Nice. Na-feed mo na?
Kumain ng dalawa.
It's 6:27. We're on the way to the mall. Yeah, we will. Yep, it's past 9:30 p.m. I love you and we're home. Medyo late. Hindi ko na plano tong ano na to kasi medyo late ko na nalaman na holiday pala kami ngayon. So ayun, yeah. Linis lang ng katawan, pahinga na. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi, it is Tuesday 5 p.m. and we're out. Dapat
Phone.
mag-scooter si baby sa labas kasi okay na yung weather
Phone.
kanina. Pero ngayon,
Mama,
umambon
it's a
ulit.
phone.
So, bahala na. Ha?
Phone.
Phone. Wow.
Are you playing?
Opo.
Are you playing?
Can I see that?
What's that, Clay?
Sa madagan.
This one. What's this? Today it's Wednesday and it's past 4:30 p.m.
Mama, two
Ayan.
wheels.
Yep. So, magko-coffee lang kami ni hubby and then after nun, lalabas na. Kasi maganda na talaga yung panahon kanina as in hindi na siya umulan. So, mag-scooter si baby. Hi, we're back home. It's 7:30. Ayan, so kumuha kami ng... Wait lang, my lovey, let's go to the bathroom. Ng keyboard kasi biglang yung mga ibang keys dun sa laptop ko hindi gumagana. So, kailangan ko muna to dahil nga itong week na to may pasok pa ako. So, baka over the weekend na lang ipagawa kasi hindi naman ata siya kaya ng... Oh my God, no! Hindi naman ata siya kaya ng isang araw. 329 pesos lang to. Tapos we also got some stuff from... Ano yung pangalan nun? Cal? No name? No name yung pangalan ng pinaka-store. Sirain ko na lang. Saka buy one, take one yung Hello Panda nila. Uy, my love, don't put water. Hindi siya pwede ng ganyang water. Hello Panda, 50 pesos, buy one, take one. Yeah, buy one, take one siya kasi September 26 expiration niya. Pero kasi si RR pag kumakain ito, 3 in one sitting. So, bumili na kami ng 4 na piraso. 100 pesos. And then, gusto niya ng clay. Kaya lang wala kami makita doon na mura. Tapos naisip ko sa mga school supplies na section, meron naman doon. Kasi si RR, pagka nagki-clay siya, ginamit niya ngayon. Tapos kinabukasan, itatapon na rin namin kasi matigas na. So, ito sa HBW. Ayan, meron siyang, may love weights lang, 5 colors. Yeah, you like red. 5 colors. Tapos, ano lang siya? 62 pesos. So, ayun. Tapos, dumaan na rin kami ng grocery dahil, Diyos ko, para kaming halimaw ng Yakult. Ang Yakult, ang bilis namin naubos. Nung huli kami na grocery, 4. Tapos, ngayon, yeah, kumuha kami ulit ng 4 na Yakult. Yun lang, tsaka sabong panlaba. So, basically, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, Mama will open. So big. Hello, it's Thursday, 5:49 p.m. and yung agenda talaga namin is scooter talaga si baby kasi maganda yung panahon simula kanina umaga mainit na hanggang pagdating ng mga alas 2 ata umulan ng malakas. Babalik nga namin yung keyboard dahil okay naman siya gumagana kaya lang lumulubog yung isang ano doon. So, yung papapalitan lang namin. Yun lang. Ikaw na. Go! Today is Saturday and it's 6:02 p.m.
It's
So, yun. Ha?
A driver.
Driver. What's the driver?
Boom, boom.
Vroom, vroom.